lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do?
Good morning, this is Debbie with the Food Prepping channel, and this morning I am not feeling good at all. I've been sick on my stomach for the past couple of days. I don't know whether it's a stomach virus. I don't know what it is, but I have no idea if it is a stomach virus. I have no idea where I would have gotten it from because I really haven't been anywhere. But my stomach is gurgling and oh my gosh, it just feels horrible. And I haven't really had anything to eat for 2 days, so I've decided that I'm going to fix me a grilled cheese, and I'm going to fix 2 because I'm going to try. I've seen so many people recently making grilled cheese using mayonnaise on the outside instead of butter. So I'm going to fix one with butter and one with mayonnaise. See if I can taste the difference. I'm going to eat half of one, half of the other. See if I can taste any difference. And I've just got 2 slices of Kraft American cheese. And I always have, probably always will, put mayonnaise on my sandwiches. I've seen where a lot of people don't put mayonnaise on the inside, but I always have. I guess because I like mayonnaise so much. I really do. So I always put it on both sides of the bread. And so this is, all right, this is going to be the one with the butter. And I'm using my Ninja Foodi air fry oven, and we're gonna see how it does on this. I haven't really fixed anything like, I mean, I have fixed toast in it, so I don't know. I guess I have. I just don't use it very much now lately because I just haven't been feeling good. All right, so there's the cheese. I'm going to put the cheese on it and put the bread on here. And then I'm going to, let me go in and put the other one first because I only brought in one knife. So I'm going to, like I said, I want to put butter on one and mayonnaise on the other, so the butter one will be the last one that I make. And I'm going to show y'all something else too. I don't know if y'all eat pork and beans, but I grew up eating pork and beans, and not baked beans, just regular pork and beans, Van Camp pork and beans. These right here. And we don't heat them up. We don't do anything. We just eat them right out of the can, or put some on your plate or whatever. And also, all right, now let me go on and put mayonnaise. I don't know. Oh, shoot, my plate almost fell. I don't know how much mayonnaise to put on here. Alright, so there's the one that's going in the pan over there. Alright, and then this one is going to go on with butter. And I've got country crock. And I have no idea. Oh, I wasn't going to put these on the pan. Shucks. Alright, I've got to take these off because in the Ninja oven or whatever, it's got this little pan in there. And I'm going to do it on this. Alright, so I think y'all can see. It's a little tray thing. Alright, so here's the one with the mayonnaise. It's going to go over on the right. And here's the one with the butter. And I'm going to do, let's see, up here, it's going to go, turn it on. And then what does it have on here? Broiled toast, bagel, pizza. I guess it's going to go toast, I would say. I'm going to take the shade. See, it's 2 slices. Alright, so how do I get this down? No, it is 4 slices. Duh. Alright, and I'm going to take the temperature up to that. It goes from 1 to 10, and it says shade. 6 shade and 4 slices, and then push start. Turn the, well, I turned the light. Okay, turn the light on. And I'm going to watch this, and then when it gets to, I will turn it over, and I'm going to have to put mayonnaise and butter on the other side. Alright, so I'll bring you back, and we're going to see how this turns out. Okay, still got 33 seconds left, but the one on the right, the one with the mayonnaise, is getting darker than the one, oh shucks. I'm gonna have to put this one, let me move this one over, see if it must get darker on one side. And I just got butter all over that part of it right here. Alright, so I've got to get this one out. Come on. And turn it over. And I'm going to put it on the other side. Alright, and here's the butter one. The mayonnaise seems to be working a whole lot better than the butter is. Alright, so let me put some mayonnaise on this side. Alright, so this is going to go the mayonnaise is going to go over on the left now, and the butter's going to go on the right to see if it'll even up. Alright, and now we're going to push start again. Alright, so I'm going to do this, and I will bring y'all back when I get ready and And we'll cut it in half and see which one is, if there is any difference. I don't even know if there will be any difference. Okay, y'all. All right, I want you to see the one on the left, this one, how it is bubbling now. And the one on the right is just getting dry. So I don't know whether that's the mayonnaise doing it or it's the Ninja. I don't know, but it definitely is. Looks like that's going to be the best one. The one with mayonnaise on it. So, but we're going to taste it when it gets ready, and I'll bring you back. Okay, y'all. All right, so I think that this is probably done. Oh, yeah. All right, so this is the one with the butter. Oh, shoot. I went between the sandwiches. All right, let me put you down and zoom out. You can see this one got, this side got really brown this time. All right. Let me cut this one in half. Yeah, see, I think I like grilled cheese better in the frying pan. All right, now let me get the one with the mayonnaise. Wow. It is a totally different texture between, and that is so weird because there shouldn't be anything different, but it sure is. All right, now I've got to take a picture of this and let this cool off, and I will bring y'all. Whoops. I will bring y'all right back. Okay, all right, so I'm back. All right, now let me show you these first while the sandwiches are still cooling off. This is pork and beans out of the can. No baked beans, not hot, cold, right out of the can. If I don't put anything in them, my family doesn't put anything in them. Quite a few people, like for lunch, this is just like beans, a can of pork and beans with your sandwich, or hot dogs or something like that. If you don't want to fix all out baked beans, this is, you've got to try this. It's Van Camp's pork and beans. They are so good. They are so good, and this is good too. And you can put, I have put onions in them, like green onions, spring onions, and mustard, and eaten them like that. But tortilla chips or potato chips, dipping those in here is just amazing. All right, so let's get back to the sandwich now. All right, so this is, I know y'all can't see, but this is just really mushy. All right, so this is the one with the butter on it. All right, now this one is not mushy. All right, so let me take a bite of this one. Guess which one's the best one, y'all? The one with the mayonnaise. It's crispier. This one just isn't crispy. It's mushy, and this one just isn't like that. So and y'all saw that I cooked it, both of them side by side. And even on when I put this one on the right, where this one was at on this side, it still didn't get as golden brown or whatever as this one did. Well, let's put it this way. The one with the mayonnaise is better on here. But neither of them are as good as they are when they're cooked in a frying pan. And I will tell you that straight up. In a frying pan, you can push it down with your, with your spatula, and oh my gosh, it's just so much better. This just isn't. And I wanted a grilled cheese sandwich, but this isn't going to hit the spot at all, because it doesn't taste as good. I mean, it's still good, don't get me wrong. I'm going to eat it because I've got to have something to eat in my stomach so I don't keep getting sick, but neither one of them, like I said, is as good as cooking them in a frying pan on your stove or whatever. So if you like this video, you try it. You try it yourself. Try one side with with butter, one with butter, one with mayonnaise, and see if you can tell the difference in yours. Like I said, I can show you this one, and you can feel the difference. This one is way crunchier than this one is way crunchier than this one. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, look below for links to my Facebook, my Twitter, and my Instagram, and also there'll be links below to different things that you can purchase on Amazon that I use in my kitchen. And I hope you have a good day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.